Say that again?
What do you mean? Once I post it, someone's gonna have it before you. By the time you have it, it's like, ah, damn it, I should have done it. Now it's gone.
Tango just made 2 different sizes. This is the size that Tango recommends, and this is the size that Michael was thinking about getting. So you guys comment down below which one you think looked better at the end of this video. This one looks fire.
That's hard.
I like this one. And then this one.
Yeah, a little bit more down straight. It was like, yeah, something like that. What do you guys think? The small one or the big one?
The big one, dude.
Really?
The big one has to be the one.
I mean, you are the
Well,
artist.
you're gonna stencil both
Yep.
on.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go from there.
We're making the stencils now. If you guys never made stencils before, it comes with this little sheet in here, so we just remove that. This is garbage. And we go to our stencil machine. I've been making the stencils like this ever since Vu yelled at me for it being crinkly. Pull it through. Kind of want it to be as straight as possible. The side with the ink, I'm gonna put on the inside, and then we're gonna hit copy.
Tell them about the mirror option.
So let's say if we wanted to flip it on the other side, you could hit mirror, and then it'll flip it, right? Is that how it works?
Are you talking to me or you talking to the camera?
I'm talking to both of y'all. Voila. This is our stencil right here.
So thinking about it, your first idea was a small tiger, right?
Yeah, it was. Walking in here, it was a small one. Looking at the piece itself, it's hella good. It's hella sick. I think big is the way.
Big?
Yeah. Because if Alex has big ass tattoos, I might as well get big ones too.
Our original plan was a small tiger. Say you're chilling at a pool,
Yeah.
and some guy walks next to you and then passes you, and all of a sudden he got a big old tiger tattoo on his back, and you're like, oh shoot, let me put my arm down, cover my little tiger.
Use my drink real quick to cover this.
But then, if you had a big tiger on you, the other guy with a small tiger sees you, he's gonna walk and just hide his art. It's what is it? Making a statement.
Making a statement.
Art.
People can see it further.
Art is
True,
about
yeah.
making a statement, bro. It's on you. Wear it right. Go big or go home.
That is the way.
It being right here, look, your arm's covering it half the time.
Yeah.
And then someone goes up to you, oh my god, what is that? And you're like, oh wait.
Yeah.
And they're like looking for it, like, where is it?
We're gonna start trimming now, so it's easier to put on. Like that.
You're nervous?
No.
He's about to throw up on a stencil job. You said originally you wanted from the side, right?
And then like going this way like that.
2 marks on top. One right here.
Yeah.
Now we're getting our stencil solution. Gonna put a little bit on here, get it nice and moist. Apply it on that area that we are applying the stencil to. And then this one, like that.
And then touch the middle, like you're wrapping the car. It's like you're putting on a vinyl.
Yeah.
Squeeze the bubble out, squeeze the bubble out. Like scrape it, like the little vinyl scraper. Yeah, just like that. Dude, I'm telling you, it's the same concept. And then towards the middle and stuff, just push in hard.
Okay.
Yeah, give it a little good push. Standing in the mirror, say
if
that
you
if
wanna
it's
look-
outlined, can you see what the heck it is?
No.
From far away, no one can see what
Yeah.
the heck it is. So how I find the middle line is from his belly button. Make a dot, make a dot, make a dot, make a dot. Oopsie, missed one. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, all the way to sternum. And then from there, you kind of just pull down, just to have that guide. Now you can really adjust it where it's like, you can maybe, yeah, you see
You
it?
want it to spill over a little
Yeah,
bit?
because you don't want the, now you see the tail
Yeah.
was perfect, but what if you kind of didn't have the line and you angled, the tail goes over, because all of a sudden he wants to do his other side, now the tail's, get it?
I see.
I'll make your life easier. See this tail?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's flapping and it doesn't really matter because
Yeah.
his thing ends here.
Rip it
and
off.
all this, and yep, rip it right off. Go. Do that after. Like just get it his whole. What makes you want a tiger?
Born 98, so it's Year of the Tiger. And the design that Alex showed me too was actually hella nice. So I was like, oh, this looks pretty good.
So which side are you leaning towards now? Once that you get the tiger.
Once I see the stencil on, but right, like just seeing it on paper, I think the big one looks hella good, but seeing on paper on skin, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the big one still.
If you mess up, you better not mess up.
We're not messing.
We're not gonna reprint this.
Yeah, no.
Only
we're
one
not.
take. Maybe this is long, so you don't want to hold it like that. Have your hand.
Underneath.
Yeah.
Like that.
Punch it in. Make sure it sticks. Okay, keep. Okay. Okay, stop.
Okay.
And then keep this hand there, and then try to line the feet
Yeah.
up. Yeah. So don't let it touch so much. Yep. You gotta angle it, pull it, whatever you need to do to get it close.
Like that.
Okay. Now, since the head's right here and stuff, let's focus getting the head to sit really well. The body's whatever.
Tattooing, Alex?
What the heck? Look at this guy.
Oh, you know what I mean? I gotta rock my sponsors, let them know what's up, you know?
Make sure the head sits first before you do anything else. And use the paper towel.
Yeah, I feel like it's drying up.
Just push on it. Yep, make sure the head is perfect before you work any other part. Wipe the backside first. I just imagine you're wrapping a car. Just fucking push it in and pull, man. Just do it. Yeah, just go. Just don't think. Just do it.
What car are you, Michael?
Smart car.
All right, a small one, easy to wrap.
Oh shit.
And you feel like you need to re-damp it. Yeah, just go ahead and push it down. Just with using your hand. Yep, scrape. There you go. It sticks, and then just use that to just finalize it. Just to confirm that it's touching. Yep. And if you want to relieve that, cut a slit.
It's like a rip it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And make sure that the mouth sits. See, you gotta dab all this. Like I said, make sure the head's perfect before you go to any part. Every part of the head sticks before you move on. That's the quarter panel right there of the body. So push it. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. And then from there, put both hands together and spread.
Spread?
Like swipe out.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Alright,
Using
hold on,
that.
hold
You
on.
have to use
Oh,
that.
to use this?
that. Yeah, that is the scraper.
Oh.
Like just, softly push out. Yeah, you can just use your hand and guide those lines to touch. When it's dry, that's when you use the paper towel. The way you lay down the stencil, if it looks hella crazy and like messy, it's gonna be really hard for you when you outline. Next time you relieve the stress right here, the stress cut, and then you want to lay the eye. Everything's perfect, but like stuff like that, when you outline, it's gonna mess you up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like, oh shit, because you're looking at it right now. It looks overwhelming, right? Like which one? Like where the eye is all smeared and everything. So relieve stress. Make sure you get the face and this whole area nice and tight, and then you can pull down here and then work up, or head here and then work up and then down. Anywhere that is near the head, finish it before you move on, because you barely have the head sticking, right? It didn't stick, and you're moving this around. The stencil keeps shifting, and it keeps making those lines wiggle and wiggle, and it's a thicker stencil. Oh, you see what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah.
So you do it. I would go like this, or using that bend right here and putting it back into the front. And then you can actually do a flower or a peony, hit it in here, and flow through the eye a little bit too if you wanted to. Just wet that area that you're gonna go through, like that. Don't do that to the area next to it, because you're smearing it rather than helping it. See, you get it now? Keep this in mind, this is probably Alex's first time stenciling. I just want to give him hella pressure. Make his face hella red. Look in the mirror.
Damn, that's big.
Can you see it from there though?
Yeah, you can now, yeah.
So you're about 10 feet away, right?
Yeah.
8 feet away from the mirror. Can you see your little tiger?
No, hell no.
No?
Unless they're like, what is that?
Yeah, and they keep going, they
It's
keep
hella
going.
close, yeah.
But from where you're standing, it's like.
Yeah,
Well,
that's huge. That's sick.
can you stand right here real quick? Hey man, stop taking my idea, bro. You have to stand at the pool like that, okay? Once you get the tattoo. You want to see me draw some stuff?
Yeah.
To make it a piece, to see have him do it? There.
Tango is going to draw in some fillers, so it looks like a complete piece.
Hold on, let's do that again. I gotta vlog it. Hold on. I mean, I'm doing a daily Instagram reel. So I'm gonna try to do it daily.
Okay.
Do you want any cherry blossoms or what kind of flower you wanted? Let's just make it simple by just adding cherry blossoms.
All right, Michael, what are your final thoughts?
Final thoughts. Initially, I wanted something small like this. Then, after some convincing from you guys, I think I'm gonna go big.
Bigger is better in this case. All right, Michael's gonna go home. He's gonna show his mom, and then
Let me know in the comments if you guys have a place I can stay afterwards. After I tell my parents, they're gonna kick me out.
Tango is almost at his watch hours, so make sure you guys subscribe to his YouTube channel, which will be linked down below. Get him monetized, guys. Run up his subs. Link is down below. We'll see you guys very soon for the next video. We're out. Peace.